So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get your Apple Student Music. How to do this is pretty simple. As you can see right here, we're in Apple Music. So all you have to do now is update and download your Apple Music from the App Store. And then as you'll see here, you won't locate it in your own profile. But once you go to search and you're not availed yet, here you will see it right here. So you're gonna get 1 month of free music when you do subscribe with them. So all you have to do is go see all plans if you want to do your student subscription. As you can see right here, you have your university student, which is 75 in my country, which is actually just $1.28 in US. So here you can subscribe to them and you can verify your student status. It's just that simple. So that is how you get your student Apple Music student subscription. Have your ID ready with your student number, of course, and there you go. It's just that simple. So if that was useful for you guys, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.